Why Birds Sing at Dawn? Read by Anne. A long time ago, in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees could talk to each other. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called Mango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But drought set in on the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Mango thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain. But who can go? I will go. I am not afraid, Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? What if we sing Mama's song? Ello asked. Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back. But I don't know how to sing, cried Pink. Have you tried singing? Mango asked. I have tried singing, said Yellow. I can teach you. Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song. It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine, and rain started falling. Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to Happy Land. And from then on, birds sang at dawn. Thank you. Bye.